In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dex to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have the Dex app linked to your ChatGPT account, so you can use it right from your conversations without any hassle. Start by opening ChatGPT on your computer or the desktop app. Look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu where you'll find Settings. Go ahead and click Settings to open the full Preferences panel. Don't worry. Nothing you change here will affect your chats unless you confirm it. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Apps. This is where ChatGPT manages the third-party apps you connect. Click Apps, then choose Explore Apps or Add More, depending on what you see. Both options take you to the same place, the directory where you can discover and connect new apps. At the top, you'll see a search field. Click into it and type Dex. Give it a second to load results. When the Dex app appears, select it to open its details page. Here, you'll see a Connect button. Click Connect to begin linking Dex to your ChatGPT account. At this point, simply follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to review the permissions Dex needs, sign into your Dex account, or confirm access. If a prompt asks you to approve a connection, read it carefully and proceed when you're comfortable. Once you confirm, ChatGPT will complete the link automatically. That's it. The connection is live. After connecting, you can return to the Apps section in Settings to verify everything worked. You should see Dex listed among your connected apps. If you ever need to manage or disconnect it, you can do that from the same place. A quick tip: if you don't see Dex right away in search, double-check the spelling, refresh the directory, or try again in a moment. Availability can vary by region or account type, and sometimes the catalog takes a second to update. Also, make sure you're on the latest version of the ChatGPT app if you're using the desktop client. To recap, you click your profile at the bottom left, open Settings, choose Apps, explore or add more apps, search for Dex, press Connect, and follow any prompts to finish. With that done, you're ready to use Dex alongside ChatGPT whenever you need it. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, consider saving it for later so you can reconnect quickly on another device. See you in the next one.